development of administration and administration of development. What does it mean? Both processes are inseparable. Yes. Both processes are inseparable. And chicken and egg, when it comes, it is a, which one comes first? It is like which one should be given first preference. First, what we should do? Whether first would go for administrative capacity building, or we should go for first schemes and formulations, schemes and policy formulation. So both should go simultaneously. This should. Because you cannot wait. Administrative capacity building will happen and then we will formulate a scheme. Because both are continuous process. Administrative capacity building is a continuous. Unless you know the weakness of administration, how can you have capacity building? And you will know weakness only when you implement. Isn't it? Unless, let's say both. You select any cricketer. After that, when he plays, then you will know the weakness there. Isn't it? So capacity building, let's say, so both are continuous process. This you can say. And both influence each other. Both will influence each other, can we say? Yes, administration of development. You will come to know if policy has not been implemented properly. It can be that the administration lacks capacity. When it lacks capacity, you will improve. Once you have improved it, and then let's say that the problem here you realize then he is still not implemented properly. It means problem lies at formulation level. Any such scheme and program is not effectively implemented. So broadly you have two problems. One, administration is not able to implement. So you have to see why it is not able to implement. Second, scheme itself is a flaw. It has problem. So when it has a problem, so you have to improve. No. Scheme can have, like say community development program was implemented. Then we came to know that administration has flaw. What administration has flaw? Administration is bureaucratic. And unless people have participation, the scheme cannot be implemented. That is how it started, democratic decentralization. This, why direct benefit transfer has been implemented? Problem at implementation level. Scheme, problem. When you, let's say that give wages in cash, in hand, it has more scope for corruption. And when you give the wages in account, it eliminates chances of corruption. It is a policy level improvement. This. So that way, let's say that you have to improve at policy level. The policy level improvement comes only when you know the weakness. This, and that's why both can be considered as continuous process and they influence each other. That is what he was trying to say. That both should go side by side in development administration. That developing countries should enhance their capacity of administration to deliver, and at the same time they should administer the policies and programs which they formulate. So this will, let's write down. Sorry. Yes, is it clear? Yes, so let's summarize. Don't see watch. Right. Sorry. तो उसको मुझे उल्टा करना है. Right. Then right. No, उल्टा रहेगा तो सही रहेगा. Anyhow, let's write on this. Riggs considers right. Someone has shared. It is also IIPA was also set up. Yes, good example. Means we set up also IIPA. This. Great. ASCI, I did not understand what you mean by ASCI.
The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with LUKMAAN IAS and make your UPSC dreams come true. Download the app now.